part to the fact that this project took so long and cost so much and has gained so much criticism. Get ready to be wowed by the architecture and the price tag of Lower Manhattan's new state-of-the-art transit hub.
It looks great. It's going to be iconic.
The Oculus, as it's called, is meant to resemble a soaring bird, and it's supposed to represent the most integrated network of rail lines in New York City. But some say it is anything but. Instead, they've labeled the $4 billion decade-long project as an epic boondoggle. Outgoing Port Authority Executive Director Patrick Foy even called it a, quote, symbol of excess. That's part of the reason why today the doors will be unlocked and commuters will flow through without so much as a soiree to celebrate.
I think it's fabulous. It's a wonderful testament to how we've rebuilt New York after our tragedy on 9/11.
It's interesting, and I do like interesting architecture, but that's a lot of money.
Most of the main hall will open today, and in the months to come, the rest of the hub will open too. Ultimately, the hub will feature 75,000 square feet of retail space and 100 restaurants. It will eventually host some 250,000 commuters each day. It is a space Port Authority Executive Stephen Platt said back in January will rival some of New York's other iconic transportation centers.
Truly the eighth wonder of the world, and a structure that will rival the architecture of Grand Central Station.
But remember, Grand Central was built with private funds, and even if you factor inflation, it cost about half of what this hub has cost you. That's money transportation experts say should have been used to support other fledgling Port Authority entities like the bus terminal. Now, this building cost $4 billion. It was supposed to cost $2 billion, but Greg Rosanna, the Port Authority, says they can pay back that money in about 7 years' time. I'll send things back to both of you.
We want to take another look at it. Thanks a lot, Teresa. I am curious, Rosanna, you know what the neighborhood needs?
What?
Quite frankly, men's rooms and ladies' rooms.
Right.
That's what this means, Rosanna. I mean, you know, the story behind the story
You're
is...
going to go all the way down there so you can go to the bathroom?
Rosanna, it's in my neighborhood. No, let me tell you something. If you go to Century 21 and you have to use the bathroom, you know, good luck. If you're in Penn Station and you have to use the restroom,
yeah,
good luck with that one. And you know what hotels started doing recently?
What?
Locking the doors, and there's a lobby before you go up to the lobby.
I
Yes.
used to love to go to those hotel bathrooms.
That was the key. That was the key. Penn Station bathroom. Be careful about that one.
Listen, if you got to go to the bathroom over there, your house is just a few blocks away. You can't hold it in?
When you got to go, Rosanna. I'm just saying, keep that in mind as you wail about the price.
Okay.
All right?
It's a perfect bathroom stop. Okay,
Excellent.
thank you.
Not to be crude.
All right, can we wish Olivia Burford a very happy 4th birthday?